I joined TikTok somewhere in February 2024 and I was in all major grow host parties, gifting and wasting my time. You wonder why I said it was a waste? It was because at the end of the day, when I finally hit 1,000 followers and I stopped gifting, everyone who followed me unfollowed me in a matter of days. Well, I finally learned to build my contact through my content, and now I will have people who will follow me without minding if I follow them back. I was finally able to hit 10,000 followers with my first account in about 2 months, posting consistently night and day. But yet, I didn't see the money start coming. Well, at this point, I felt I needed to learn more, so I joined some communities that someone advised, and I would go live with them some of the time. But I was still gifting what they call community tax. But at the end of the day, what I would have gained being live with them would have been far less than what I would have gifted the community. Well, I thought to give International TikTok a shot, and I opened one, and in a matter of weeks, I got over 20,000 followers from a particular video I posted, and so I was approved for a creator reward program. Mind you, all these things happened between February and September 2024. About the creators reward program with my international TikTok account, I later learned that my videos had to be more than 1 minute and I had to have qualified views before TikTok can pay me for the video. While working on that, TikTok ad came into Nigeria and I decided to learn how it works. In fact, I went for paid training. But that was when I realized there is a lot about TikTok that people don't know, including the person training me at the time. I want to show you how to make money with your TikTok account, even with 0 followers, using TikTok ads.
Now we are heading to our TikTok and then click on the profile icon. Now, I know you probably have seen videos where you are told if you want to run TikTok ad, come to the 3 lines up there, click on it, then go to TikTok Studio. And then when it opens, go to your promote icon. When you come here, go under the part that says select your content and click, and then check to see the video you want to run the promotion with and click on the promo, the red button that says promo, to begin to run your ad. Alright, now why that works. If you want to run a TikTok ad that gets you the right results, that is not how to start a TikTok ad. That is not how to go about running a TikTok ad. It has to begin with the video you are posting. You need to package that video in a way that when you start running ad with it, you will get the best result out of it. And when you are even uploading that video, there are certain things you need to do to the video in terms of the hashtag you are using, in terms of the keyword you are using. There are different optimization you need to do to that video. If not, you waste your money running that ad, okay? It's part of what I covered in my training, okay? But let's say that we are going to be using a video that is already on our page. So what we do is we either go here like I've shown you, or you can select the video here. Let's say it's this one. I can click on this video and then click the 3 buttons down here. Then click on increase view. So this is the second way if you're not going through the TikTok Studio, okay? Now we've selected the video. Up here you have 3 options under choose your goal. You can do boost account, under which you can do more video views, or you can select more followers, or you can select more profile views, okay? The second option up here is get sales, and this is when you want to add a link to maybe a page or a website, or even to your WhatsApp or your Telegram, anywhere at all you want to get people to, and then show them what you want to sell to them, okay, or what you are offering them, okay? So that's the second option. The third option we have here is get leads. Now here people can send you direct message to your TikTok inbox, or you can add a phone number, okay? If we decide to go with more video views, I've already selected our video, okay? Now we come down here. Now when you come to custom promotion, TikTok already gives you their default audience, okay? But in my training, I told you the reason you should go with custom promotion. So I click on custom. Now by custom, you'll be able to set your ad targeted to the people you want, the age, the gender, and so on, okay, and also interest. In my training, I showed you how to see list of interest under each of the options you see here, so you know that you are selecting the exact one that appeals to your audience, okay? So when you are done selecting, supposing you want to select these ones, okay, already you should know what is under each of these, which I showed you in that training, okay? And then you click OK. Then you scroll down, then you come to budget. TikTok has some promo pack, so you can click here to see their promo packs. Now they are recommending this 27,600 for about 8,000 naira. That's 7,875 naira. Okay. Then the third one here is 10,500 naira. Okay. Now you can decide to customize. Okay. When you decide to customize, you now come to this budget area and put an amount that you want. The least amount is 1,000 for Nigeria. Okay, it's 1,000. If you put anything less than 1,000, it won't go. Can you see? Even if I put 999, it used to be 999, it can't go. So the least amount for ad in Nigeria is 1,000 naira. So you put 1,000 if that is what you want to go for. And when you add the amount, check here to see the coin you need to recharge to be able to run the ad. The next thing is the duration of the ad. Okay, now this 1,000 is per day, as you can see there. So if I step it up now to 2 days, it means I'll be paying 2,000 naira. If I take it to 3 days or 4 days, I'll be paying 4,000 naira. Okay, that's 1,000 per day. Now at the moment, the highest you can go is 7 days with TikTok ad. Okay, so you can decide to go with probably 1 day to first of all test out how this works. Okay, so we set it at 1,000 and then we select duration as 1 day. Now we can see the coin that we are asked to go for, which is 59 coin, to be able to run this. So you can now click on recharge. Now when you click on recharge, you'll be given options of coins. Okay, so you can select a coin value that covers the coin that is required to run that ad. The coin I will have to recharge is about 70 coins, so that it will cover the 59 coin that is required. Okay, so what I will now have to do is to recharge and get 70 coin, and 70 coin at the moment is 1,800 naira. So I can just click on recharge. Already I've added my UBA MasterCard. I also use Access Visa card. If I click here, you'll be able to see that. Can you see? This next one is Access. Okay, Nigerian cards work. That's what I use. Okay, so if I want to add more money to this, maybe I want to go for 140 coin, I'll just click on this plus sign here. So it has increased it to 3,600. That is 70 times 2. 70 coin times 2. 70 coin is 1.8 times 2 is 3,600. If I want to add more, I can still click on the plus sign. If I want to reduce it, I click on the minus area. So let's leave it at 1,800 naira. The next thing I will do is to hit on buy coin. Can you see? Is successful. Okay, now the moment I made that payment, you notice that the 59 coin required here has disappeared. Okay, so it means that I can just start running my ad. Here before we saw recharge, now it says start. Okay, because we now have enough coin. So if we have enough coin initially, it will not say recharge. Okay, so we are going to now click on start. So it says thank you for your submission. Okay, and then it says help us improve. Okay, I don't have anything to do here now, so our ad is under review. Okay, so within few minutes it will be approved and it will start running. But remember what I told you, this is not the best way to run ad. To run ad, you need to optimize the video before uploading it, and at the point of uploading that video, you will still have to do some little checks to be sure that that ad will get you, or that video will get you, the best outcome when you start running TikTok ad. Like I already told you, there's more to learn, including how to optimize your page and your videos to get the best outcome. How to add WhatsApp link that people can click and get through to you at once, not the one they will click and hang somewhere. You also learn how to set up TikTok Ad Manager account even if you don't live in the United States, to be able to target people anywhere in the world. I'm also going to show you a special feature in this app that will help you target people with the very keywords that they are searching for. And if you sell any product, I'm going to show you how to package the video so that you will get the most sales. If you ever had issue with TikTok ad not delivering, account suspended, I've made a compilation of TikTok policies you might have violated so that you can troubleshoot your ad
and get going again.
You know, another amazing part. Before we officially launched our TikTok ad mastery course in the latter part of 2024, I had to invest in other paid trainings on TikTok so that our students will never have the feeling there was anything more out there. This was a guy who bought my TikTok ad course, that's Ad Mastery Plus, okay? And then up here, he was saying, that was a few days later, he was saying, Omo, thank you, sir. I really appreciate my ad is massive. Then he dropped a disappearing video, okay? Which I opened here, okay? WhatsApp has disappearing video, so I opened it here. Then I came here to say, so happy to know. Then he dropped a voice note, which I wouldn't want to play, and we continued our conversation. Then the next day, he now came and said, good evening, send me your account details, make I show love. Okay, so I wasn't sure what he was talking about because this was a guy who had paid for the course. Okay, so I said, well done, sir. Then I went on to appreciate him. I had to send my account details to him, and then he transferred an amount that was quite higher than what he paid for the training. And so I will thank him here. And thanking him, he then dropped this voice note.
You're welcome, sir. I appreciate. Now you do pass, you get, because you know there is for you to sell the course for low amount, and not only that, even they put me through. Because I know many people who will say once you pay them, once they deliver what you paid for, that one is too low. If you have any misunderstanding or we say you don't really understand, that one for your pocket, you get. But at least they ask you questions, they put me through, I understand how it works. So I really appreciate it, sir.
That was how good this guy felt about the ad, okay? For me, this was quite rare. I've never seen it in this manner before. Actually, personally, I've not done it to anybody. That I will buy your training and much later I will come to pay you, and not even paying you a small money, is money past what I paid to buy the training. I've never seen it in this manner before. I was so overwhelmed, okay? But let's continue with the feedbacks.
Yes, I did. I did go through it. I'm not sure I have finished everything. I think I have finished like up to 4. Or yes, I find this so interesting. Like I learned quite a lot. I didn't even know it's something that I can actually do like that. Do you understand? I love the way you took your time to explain it in detail. Like even a common.
Here are a list of other things you'll be learning in this training. Things like how to set up effective WhatsApp link for your TikTok ad, how to open an international TikTok account and grow it to start earning from posting 1-minute videos, how to find hidden interest and keywords to better your chances of success with TikTok ad, how to automate messages, how to promote for others and get paid, how to target specific locations with your TikTok ad, how to hide your ad from your TikTok followers, how to set up TikTok ad manager account from Nigeria or anywhere outside of the United States, how to create TikTok ad inside the ad manager, quick tips for creating videos to get massive sales with your TikTok ad. So if you want to sell with your TikTok ad, I've already captured all these things in my training. So the part I gave you is just the basics. If you want to learn more covering these and other things I've not stated here that I also hope to add, then you can get my training. If not, make do with what you've just learned. This one is a special bonus for only those who enroll in this training before this weekend. I'm going to be sharing with you how I created international TikTok account for free without VPN from Nigeria, grew it within weeks, the type of video I used to grow it within weeks, and got it monetized to start earning from my international TikTok account. Also, if you enroll before this weekend, you'll be getting the full package at 60% discount off. Once you enroll, an email will be sent to you with a link to the course area so that you can gain instant access and join other students in class.
If you do not want to waste money or get frustrated with TikTok ad, click the button around this video to learn more and take advantage of our special discount this week to join the class before price goes up again.
If you want to get more, click any button around this video to get started with that. If you like this video, do leave a comment on the comment section. Remember to follow and share with your friends.
See you in class.